Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lesson. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, Monjadaro. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize that other sentences in the paragraph support the topic sentence. A paragraph provides relevant, specific and substantial supporting detail for the main idea. Draft and revise a writing to ensure that it has a main idea stated in the topic sentence, has relevant, specific and substantial supporting detail for each paragraph, has reference and transition words that contribute to a sense of cohesion and cohesiveness. Use a variety of pre-writing strategies like brainstorming. Recognize that introductory paragraph carries the main idea of the essay. Now look at the page number 19 of your textbook. What we have here, do you remember a general statement informs the reader about the general idea of a particular paragraph. A specific statement informs the reader about the main idea of a particular paragraph. Now what we have here, read the last paragraph of the lesson carefully to ensure that it has a main idea, general statement and a specific statement and transitional words. After identifying the main idea and general statement, specific statement and transitional words, write them in your notebook. I know you are familiar with this. We have done this in our previous unit too. The transitional words, the main idea, the general statement and specific statement, or the main idea of the paragraph. Let's discuss. Now look at the paragraph here from unit number 2, the last paragraph. What can you understand from this paragraph? What it is about? What will be the main idea of this paragraph? In the other paragraphs, we read about the founding of the Mohenjo-daro. Now, in this, the last paragraph, we have discussed the protection and conservation of Mohenjo-daro. So, this paragraph is about the protection and conservation of Mohenjo-daro here. This will be the main idea here. Yes. Now, look at the general statement. What will be the general statement? This is up to you. You can give it a general statement. Here in this paragraph, in these 3 lines, you can find the general statement. This could be the general statement of your paragraph. The general statement is that line or that sentence which give a general opinion from you of the sentence. It can be a sentence or it can be some words, 2 or 3 words, the group of 2 or 3 words. So what are the transitional devices? Are that devices which connect the sentences and which continue your writing, that what you are saying. It connects the paragraph and passages together. Like how the general devices can be in this paragraph here will be as far as it is connecting the whole paragraph here. The other transitional devices are however, therefore, eventually. These are the words which connect the phrases and the passages or the paragraph together, which continue the things the writer want to say about more. Besides, along with that. So these are your transitional devices. You can find many transitional divided in your unit number 2 from the text. And what is your specific statement here? Paragraph here, the specific statement you want to give by yourself. Scan or read out the paragraph carefully. You can find, it's very easy, you can find the general or specific statement very easily here. The specific statement should be management system to deal with the issues of conservation here. Yes, it can be this, the specific statement, because the paragraph is about the protection and conservation of the Mohenjo-daro here. So dear student, write these statement and transitional divided in your notebook. You can find so many in your text too. Just give it a read and you can find all these main ideas, general statement, specific statement and transitional devices or words. Now look at the B section here. After brainstorming and developing ideas, write a simple and unified paragraph on a trip to a historical place. We have discussed the brainstorming. Brainstorming means to come up with the ideas and put aside the common ideas and think of a new and unique idea. Develop your ideas. Organize the information first, then write in the sentences and divide them in paragraphs. So, your writing will be prominent and understandable by the readers. You have to write a trip to a historical place. You have to write about a trip to a historical place here. It can be any place. It's up to you what you are writing about. Dear student, this is your home task from Summer Pack. Write a simple letter to your cousin asking him to join you on the trip to the northern areas of Pakistan. This is the informal letter. Just write the address of the receiver, address of your friend, then date. Then you will start like this: dear, the name and the comma, and the start with the greeting, hello, I hope you are fine, etc. And in the last, your friend and your name here. This will be the format of this letter. I hope, dear student, you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.